We're going to have a special segment dedicated to Lao later in the third hour today, so make sure you stay tuned. And now back to Indonesia. We know we have so much culture in Indonesia.
Yes.
As the previous, the previous package that you've seen about Lao, we here in Indonesia also love our culture and love to tell stories. And Yogyakarta is also known as an area steeped in rich culture that is always preserved. Its philosophical axis was recently designated as a World Heritage Site by UNESCO in September.
Yes, and in this episode of The Journey, Her Royal Highness Gusti Kanjeng Ratu Bendoro will talk about Yogyakarta as the city of museums.
The official celebration of Indonesian Museum Day is held every year on October the 12th. This is according to the decision of Indonesian Museum Conference, which was held for the first time in Yogyakarta on October 12 to 14 in 1962. Museum plays a critical role in improving the quality of learning, particularly in the social science. The museum serves as a learning resource for students, providing them with information and knowledge. It also functions as both a learning resource and learning medium. Given the diversity of cultures in the special region of Yogyakarta, a variety of culture activity can be carried out. One of which is the preservation of history and culture through the museum. What are the efforts of Yogyakarta Special Region Government to preserve culture and history through museum? I invite you to talk about the program of Yogyakarta, the City of Museum. With me, Gusti Kanjeng Ratu Bendoro.
Apa kabar Budia?
Baik,
Alhamdulillah Gusti, sehat selalu.
Ya, ini kan kita lagi di Sono Budoyo. Hari ini kita mau membahas tentang kebudayaan di Yogyakarta.
Siap.
Tapi sebelum kita ke sana, jalan-jalan dulu.
Siap,
Mari.
monggo.
Budaya di Jogja ini kan sangat terkenal, Bu. Kira-kira apa sih program yang ada di Dinas Kebudayaan, Bu, saat ini?
Yang paling prioritas ketika Jogja sudah ditetapkan sebagai World Heritage Site
Oh
oleh
iya,
UNESCO.
selamat ya, Bu ya.
Terima kasih. Jadi memang ini akan menjadi program prioritas Omda DIY, bahkan mungkin jadi program prioritas juga di nasional. Bagaimana nilai-nilai sebuah filosofi ini mampu memajukan kebudayaan daerah istimewa Yogyakarta dan mengangkat juga kebudayaan Indonesia. Jadi karena ini program prioritas Pemda, jadi ini keroyokan semua antar sektor ya. Jadi mulai dari program infrastruktur, ini penataan di kawasan sumber filosofi, kemudian program yang terkait dengan lingkungan. Ini juga bagaimana kita mulai mencermati terkait dengan low emission carbon di area sumber filosofi. Berikutnya program pariwisata berkelanjutan, ini juga menjadi bagian yang penting. Bagaimana kita bisa meningkatkan kualitas objek-objek kebudayaan yang bisa berkontribusi untuk destinasi dan narasi-narasi storytelling untuk pariwisata.
Ya, Bu, ini kan ada bus yang khusus untuk menceritakan sebuah filosofi nih, Bu. Nah, itu rutenya kemana aja, Bu?
Kami yang paling siap adalah rute kawasan sumber filosofi. Jadi yang dari Tugu sampai Keraton dan juga Panggung Krapyak sampai The Keraton. Ya, ini masyarakat bisa mengakses mesti lewat aplikasi jogjaheritage.com. Ya, karena ini cukup laris manis. Jadi
Banyak yang ngantri ya, Bu ya?
banyak yang ngantri.
Bu, melanjutkan pembahasan, Bu. Jadi bagaimana museum ini menjadi bagian dari budaya, Bu?
Dari hampir sekitar 40 museum yang ada di daerah istimewa Yogyakarta dan inisiasi dari teman-teman museum, kita mencoba secara bertahap mewujudkan Jogja Kota Museum.
Ya, dan tentunya museum sekarang ini perlu digerakkan kembali untuk generasi Z ini mau berkunjung ke museum gitu ya. Ini di Sono Budoyo ini ada jemparingan ya, Bu ya, tetapi bentuknya adalah dengan teknologi. virtual ya, dan memang ini akhirnya memang untuk bisa menyelaraskan antara wellness, culture, dan juga tourism.
Jadi jemparingan kita coba meskipun mungkin masih sebatas virtual, tapi kita coba mengeksplor rasa dulu ya, karena olah pikir, olah rasanya wellness tourism adanya di situ. Ya.
Terima kasih atas waktunya, Bu. Kita ketemu di lain kesempatan. Mari. The diversity of the special region of Yogyakarta is well represented in the museum collection, one of which is about the culture preservation and historical journeys. Yogyakarta has dozens of museums with various subjects of interest that can be visited, which can be an option for adding insight while traveling. Always keep museum in mind as a traveling destination as they are close to my heart. Watch for more good news with me, Gusti Kanjeng Ratu Bendoro, on The Journey, only on Stay Today's News.
I mean, Her Royal Highness
Yep.
is truly a heritage hero from Indonesia, and I think she deserves the recognition. So big congratulations to her and her efforts, and Yogyakarta as well.
Yeah, of course, you know, the Malioboro Street, the Prambanan Temple, and then Karatons. I mean, if you talk about Yogyakarta, it's just full of cultural heritage and everything.
It's just culture and food and a bit of shopping.
And again, I
right?
want to put you on the spot here. You say you're going to go there and then do some dancing, right?
Well, I am planning to go do some dancing, hopefully, in the next couple of months. Hopefully it will happen, so I'm thinking.
Mama never stops moving.
Yeah. Well, we're going for another break now.
Yes, and after that, we're going to have Hans. He's going to come back and deliver some economics and business updates.
Yes, Her Royal Fabulousness. All right, so later in the business segment, because this is actually the weekend, there's no market, but we're going to take a look at some ideas for MSMEs and some achievements. So stay tuned right here only on the 3-Hour News Show on See Today.
Thank you for being here.